Hi, it's Jane here from Barnet Library's Early Years team. I've been recording videos of rhyme times so that you can watch them at home, and this week I'm hoping to record one of animal rhymes, and I thought it would be nice if you wanted to make your own crocodile to bring along to that rhyme time. I know the crocodile's a very popular animal amongst all my families. So what do we need to make the crocodile? We need some sellotape, some glue, a pencil, a pair of scissors, and you need some card or thicker paper to make the head and tail, and a slightly thinner piece for the tummy because that needs to be able to bend back and forth, and some sticks. If you don't have any green paper, you can make some. I've used just a old Weetabix box, so you just get some cardboard and some green pens, pencils, paint if you have some. And also what I got were some pieces of from magazines, and even things that were pushed through the door actually, and newspapers. So we just cut out the cardboard, and then we'll just colour it in any way you would like. So we can use our pens. Get our glue and stick some of those coloured pieces onto to give it a bit of a crocodile feel. Obviously you'll do this a lot better than I am doing it. So we have And now from that we can cut out the head and tail of our crocodile. Now there are a lot of templates online, so you know, do have a look and see if you don't feel confident to cut out your own. But if you just have a good look at the ones I am using, just get an idea of the shape. See, it's really, obviously it doesn't really matter, as long as it looks a bit like a crocodile. And we will and the tail. So there we go. We have the head and the tail, and we need to give him a tummy. So a long strip of paper, card, whatever you have available. Again, if you don't have any green, you can just do what we've just done, which is to colour a piece of card or white paper. And then the concertina ring, we just fold it back and forth on top of itself to make a nice bendy tummy. There we go. turn the pieces over and sellotape that down. Go. Now I was lucky enough to have some googly eyes when I made that one, but obviously you don't have to have googly eyes. A lovely black pen will give him his eyes there. And of course, what do we need but some good sharp teeth from our crocodile? So we'll just cut him his big old mouth, and then we'll just cut some card or paper, whatever you have to hand. Measure it up, make sure it's about the right size, and cut out those big sharp teeth. We'll stick those on. There we go, so we're nearly done. We just need some sticks to make him move and bend when we use him in our song. So with a little bit of sellotape to glue those, stick those in place. So obviously I used lolly sticks the first time I made it, and I just picked these up when I went out for a walk. So anything will do. If you don't have sticks to hand, you can use straws. So here he is, our crocodile, ready to join us at our animal rhyme time, which you'll be able to see on the Barnet Council YouTube channel. So I hope to see you there, you with your crocodile and me with mine. Thank you very much for joining in, and see you soon.